Sirena, harness the power of nature.
Let me show you why this is an amazing power head. One, it's very easy to take it all the way down to the floor under the sofas, carpets, couches, you name it, mattresses. The second thing, you have a small little trigger here. The minute you press on it, the power nozzle will go by itself. You let it go, it will stop. So that's a great feature. You have a little bit of an extension wand here. You can take it up and down as you would like. You have your height adjustments. You've got 3 height adjustments. So if you have Berber, you have shag carpet, you have just regular loop carpet, you could use it wherever you want. Here's the other great part about the system. It takes seconds to open it up. So if you're at home and you have a problem with the belt, watch this. You're out and here's your belt. It's out and you even have a spare belt on board. This is one of the best bristles to have and best brushes to have. This is made out of very soft hair, so especially for the new carpet that it's out there on the market today, it's great to have so it doesn't beat your carpet up and you don't end up having a bunch of loose carpet inside of your vacuum, so it's not gonna damage or hurt your carpet. A great airflow, that's why it works great on the new soft carpet, so it rolls properly, no problem, and all the dirt, the sand and everything goes straight into the machine. What makes it unbelievable, the Sirena, is a lot of airflow. So you're getting all the dirt, sand and everything from inside of your rug. There's always 100% of air going through, so all the dirt is gonna go in. And what makes it great is most carpets, when you lift up the carpet, there's usually pounds of sand underneath the carpet because a regular vacuum, what it does, it keeps on pushing things deeper instead of lifting them up. With this, everything keeps on going straight into the water. You're done, you just dump the water and all of your sand and everything is out of your carpet once and for all.